Okay, guys. So my sister doesn't want these, but they are the Zootopia toys. I know they show you on the box that you get on the front. I think that's what they did. That's what they did with the Hello Kitty, but I'm not sure. So we're gonna cover it. But here are the options on the back. I want the snake, Flash, this snake right here, and the table. So let's see. Okay, unravel our characters. Three. Judy! I really hope I go to Tammy's today. They're literally saying I can't go, but my sister's there. It's not fair. Anyways. That's why I actually just stole these from my sister. She does want them, but now she wants to open them. I don't want to, snake, because, I've never seen this movie yet. You know, everybody's name is 3, 2. The snake? He's, stuck in some sort of pipe. His tail. Okay. Oh, Gary D. Snake. So it does tell you on the box. I just want to let you guys know. I stole these from my sister. I've actually never got the I have not been getting McDonald's. This is 1 and this is 4. Ah! Box. Another thing is, I'm going to show you guys Roxy real quick that I got from that other video. Cute. Awesome. Bye. Bye.